Hello animals, welcome to SQL Zoo. Okay, let's learn select with select tutor. Okay. We have already used select and we know how to use select and how to write a command using select. Now it's time to learn how to write a select within another select command. So let's scroll down. Here is the first one. List each country name where the population is larger than that of Russia. Here they already give command select name from world where population greater than population of Romania. Here they asked for Russia. Okay, submit. Yeah, that's it. So what happened here is we are selecting name from world. Okay, where population. We are using condition for population. Population has to be greater than population of Russia. Okay, so we are selecting all country names where population is greater than Russia population. So that's it for first one. Second one is the countries in Europe with a per capita GDP greater than United Kingdom. So here you copy this command, paste it here, select name from all, show the countries. Okay, in Europe, where continent equal to Europe. Okay, so in order to compare this, first we must know the GDP of UK. Okay, for that select GDP per capita GDP. There is a formula for here. GDP by population from world where country equal to United Kingdom. Invalid Indian country. So continent. Set. There is no result coming here. Select name comma GDP from world where continent equal to Europe. Okay, let's try this way. And GDP greater than. Do you think will it work? So for that purpose we have to find GDP of Russia. So what's the command to find GDP of Russia? Surname count GDP by population from all where continent equal to Russia. Sorry, not Russia. United Kingdom, right? Where continent equal to UK. name comma GDP from population. Okay, what we need? United Kingdom. Instead of this, so UK GDP is 38,555.07. Okay, let's copy this value up to here. Now write the comment. Select name comma GDP by population from world where name equal to Europe and population greater than world. Okay, what's it needed? To only need name, unit of GDP. Okay, continent. That's the result. So where it gone wrong? Why we got UK in result and there is no UK in the result actually? Okay, yeah, we use 07, right? It has 07 point something something. Yeah, that's it, guys. These are very much tough. Before solving any lab, please try to understand how command works. Select in a select. So that's it, animals. Bye bye. Please do subscribe to our channel.